So in today's class, we'll try to understand the simplification part. Okay. So you have understood the definitions. That is, the sum of product means what? Product of sum, and again literals, what are variables. Okay. What are the different laws that are available in order to simplify our Boolean expression? So we have seen all those things in our presentation. Okay. So now I just wanted to go for the next technique. I was telling that rather than using the laws, okay, rather than using the laws, you can also go for the techniques like Quinn-Mikkleski method as well as a Karnaugh maps. Okay, so the Karnaugh maps we'll try to understand in today's class. Okay, that is a very important and the easiest concept and a very interesting one. Okay, so the first thing, okay, let me go how to minimize the expression by making use of a logic Boolean laws. Okay, then we will go to the K-maps. Okay, so first, so this is a two-bit, okay, two-bit way or two variable, okay, two variable truth table. This is, see, we have written only 2 bits, okay, A as well as B. We have written only the 2 variables, that is A as well as B. So what will be the length of the truth table? The length of the truth table will be 4. As we know that 2 to the power of n. What is the n value? The number of inputs is nothing but 2. So that is nothing but 2 to the power of 2, that is equal to 4. So therefore I have written 4 combination. So that will start from 0 and it ends till 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So the decimal equivalent of this combination is 0. The decimal equivalent of this combination is 1. The decimal equivalent of this is 2 and this is 3. Okay. Now this is the output that you are getting. Okay. This is the output that you are getting. Okay, now you are supposed to write, by seeing the truth table, you are supposed to write the expression, okay, logical expression. So now, as I have told you what is min terms, okay, you also know what is meant by min terms or fundamental terms, right? So first I will write the min terms. So how to write this min term? I have already explained this. So wherever there is 1 in your output, the corresponding combination you have to take. So A is taking what value? A is taking 0 value. So therefore I am writing it as A bar. Okay. If A was taking 1 means you have to write A. Now coming to this, B is taking what? B is having the value 1. So therefore I am writing B, not B bar. Okay. Next, coming to the second output. So if you just see this line, wherever there are ones, there only you have to write the min terms. Okay. Next, so what is the value of A and what is the value of B? It is taking 1 as well as 1. So therefore I have written as AB. Now what will be your expression? Y is nothing but, so this one, okay, this term as well as this term. Both the terms you have to add it. Okay, then you will be getting the expression for output. Now by making use of Boolean laws, okay, I will be using some Boolean laws and I will be reducing the expression to the minimal value. So what is the law that I am using here? See, B I have taken common and A bar plus A. What is A bar plus A? A bar plus A is nothing but 1. How I can write? You just assume that, you just take an assumption. I am just deriving this law. Okay, if I am taking A is equals to 0. Okay, if I am taking A is equals to 0, assume A is equals to 0. Now what is A bar will become? A bar will become 1. 1 plus 0 is what? A is, we are assuming it as 0. So therefore this, okay, let me write full steps. So 0 bar plus 0, that is equals to what? 1 plus 0, that is nothing but 1. Isn't it? So therefore this tends to 1. So B into 1 is nothing but B, right? So now this would be very easy. By making use of a Boolean laws will be very easy if you are taking a 2 variable expression. If my expression is very lengthy means, I have to use these type of a Boolean laws throughout my expression. And again, whatever the answer that I am getting, I don't know whether it is in the minimal form or not. Okay. You may have the confusion that I could have used that law, I could have used the distributive law, or I could have used the De Morgan's law. So you have to keep all the laws in your mind and then you have to solve to get the minimal expression. That is a very time consuming and again that is an inaccurate method in order to solve a very large expression. This would be very good. Okay, Boolean Boolean loss type or the technique would be very good if your expression length is very small. Okay, as the expression length increases, as the number of variables increases, okay, then it would be very difficult, and this is not a good method in order to use it, which one? The Boolean loss. So therefore the second module is completely related to the two techniques, that is a K-map technique as well as Quinn-McCluskey technique. K-map technique is nothing but Karnaugh maps. Karnaugh maps, very very important. Okay, you will be getting around 15 marks from this concept. Please try to understand the concept very neatly. Okay, I will be explaining the Karnaugh maps. Now coming to the Karnaugh maps, I was telling that